Greetings. Here we are on Love Street in Jonestown in the constituency of South St. Andrew, which I have the honor to be the Member of Parliament for. And Reggae Month coming up, we're going to do a little talking and discussion around the musical heritage of the constituency, which is very rich. And the first stop is Triple L Records with my brethren, Orville Stoddart. Yes, so here we are in the control room of Triple L Records and the studio belonging to my brethren, Orville Stoddart, you know. So Orville, how things?
Great, can't complain.
Yeah, man. So I want to hear a little bit about the history of Triple L and how you get into the music thing and how you managed to establish this wonderful facility, in the beginning. How it all started out?
Well, first started incarceration overseas.
Okay.
Was incarcerated. Set my mind to come to Jamaica, so I have to plan a future out. Yeah. So I said, all right, then since I know local music, me while I was over in New York, I was doing music, I was in a group called Sick With It.
Okay.
I almost get signed with a company called Gaffin Records, 5.5 million, and unfortunately it didn't happen, come get incarcerated. Mm-hmm. So coming home now, I have a vision because I know that my community was the background for reggae music. So I said, I can help change youth them thoughts of thinking and get some youth to start thinking focus and positive. So I form a group, I set a youth named Triple L Records. Mm-hmm. And there's a guy named Michael up the road. He used to work with Chase Fund. Mm-hmm. Never had all of the money to buy all the equipment.
Sure.
He linked me with Chase Fund and them give me a grant. And
great.
Single-handed guys them help me design it, and it was a little bit argument because some of the money said that them know the work, me ain't gonna know music before leave it alone. So design the booth and everything, and we start putting the equipment and stuff on.
And you got this property for deal with it?
Well, property, I used to ask some people around, come to pass by and say, yeah, empty, I said, this big hole. Yeah. There's nothing was here but a big hole and a little spot. And I said, yo, how me can get a yard? And I said, the man don't like people, you know, not game yard. And I said, but to me determined, I like the things I'm on. Yeah. I asked the man, and he said, the way I'm just like that.
Wow, sweet.
And I just start, you know what I'm saying, putting drywall, all these policies, the drywall, you know. Most of these areas is drywall.
Okay.
Get some zinc, buy whatever we can buy. And you them just come and help and them just see it and just start, you know, feel motivated and put in the work.
Well, you and I correspond all the while, and I know that you send me some recordings quite regularly of material that you've done, you know. So just give me an idea of some of the works you've done, some of the artists, and how it's been going so far. Like, yeah.
Well, first my major release was a guy named Neverland.
Mm-hmm.
He used to work with Richie Stevens at Potterboy.
Okay.
He come in the studio and he said, right, we'll do an album. Look up a single first. I made it on the album was Reggae music come from Chenstown.
Mm-hmm.
It's on YouTube. And we started touring and stuff, so we started coming to the album. And more people start here. We do a compilation with Nesbeth, Guy Dance, Prestige, Sugar before she named Sugar, Brown Sugar before she named Sugar.
Okay.
Some young upcoming acts as well.
And
then it started bigger and bigger. Jackie will link me.
Okay.
Was nominated on his album for, I think it was 2015, 2016.
Okay.
Nominated for Grammy.
Nice.
Work out and, you know,
yeah. Still
move on, still recording. So I meet Ezra and
yes.
Great vocal, great singer. I was like, yo,
yeah, man,
what's already?
Yeah, man. Him about
putting more work with him, you know?
Powerful voice, him out. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Kind of Steve start link. Let the big artists start to link. Do some good production with them. Right now I'm in a situation where I deal with Kim Malik on a project.
Okay. Orville, just continue the work. You know, say every year, as you say, get stronger and better. Yeah. And, you know, love the vibes and keep the link.
Yeah, man, respect.
Yeah, man. Blessings.